Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use free AI models with OpenRouter inside n8n. Many think you need to pay to build useful AI, but that's not true. With this setup, learn, test, and build real AI workflows for free, understanding how it works. Ready to see how step by step? Let's get started.
Welcome to today's video again. We're here to talk about how you can use AI for free on n8n. As you know, we have two different ways we use free AI on n8n. The first way is by using the free credit given to you by OpenAI on n8n. So they come around with this free AI model. So they'll give you they'll give you free credit for you to use ChatGPT for free, right, on n8n right here. But somehow that is not enough, because sometimes they give you the 100 free credits, which is kind of enough though for a beta testing before you move out to ban your real API for your project and so. But today I'm going to give you a way you can use a free plan AI. This is not just a free plan AI like just for some times. It's going to be a long-term free plan AI. Though this can be a free plan AI whereby you might have some limitations. The limitations will come out with not the recent engine or not the recent model and then so on. This can just be the only limitation. But if you're working with maybe not full LML functionality AI, maybe you just need an AI to process your data, you just need an AI to process your information, but you don't need the recent kind of model, you can then use this option I want to provide to you. So right here, I'm going to be giving you two different options, but first of all, let's go. The first one. So we come to OpenRouter over here. So OpenRouter is an AI model, is an AI interface that unifies a lot of LLM. Then they have a whole bunch of these AIs right on their server right here. So they host the Gemini AI, they host the ChatGPT, and they host a lot of all these models right here. New companies that produce their new AIs will come to OpenRouter and then have the AI listed on the server right here. So then one beautiful thing about OpenRouter is that they give us a chance to get some of this AI for free. So first thing you need to do is come from get an API key. So you get your API key right here. I already had mine, as you can see, unlimited, and the usage is $0, which means I didn't pay for anything. So you create your API key right here, and then once you create your API key, you come over to your n8n and then you add your first node, you set for OpenRouter. So you search for OpenRouter right here. So you have the model node, and then right here you come over to your credentials. Right here. I already had mine. You create a new credential, you add your API right here, but I don't need to do that because I already had mine. So and as you can see, I didn't pay for anything right here. So you come back here, you choose your model, the AI model you want. But here's the tricky thing. You see, for this Gemini GPT 4.1 is a paid version, and you can't get it for free. So what you're going to do is come over to OpenRouter. Right at OpenRouter, you come here to the model, and right at the model, you set for free. So I'm going to teach you how to get it for free. You set for free. Right here, they add over 30 models. This is 31 models that provide you free chances to use that model for free. These are companies that give you a chance to use the model for free. Now here you can see what the models are good for the best. This one is Zahumi, created by Zahumi, and it's for travel, academical, finance, science, and so on. So this one is from Mistral. It's programming, SEO, legal, academics, and then this one is the DeepSeek Chimera. This is a role play, not as good, but still okay. It is another Chimera. We have another one right here. So you keep on scrolling till you get the best of your choice. Then you keep on scrolling. This is the one from NVIDIA, and then we can give this one a try, or we can give the Meta AI a try. As you can see, this is OpenAI also, Gemini AI for free 2.0, but this one is kind of a flash one, but it's not actually working. But I think we give that a try yesterday. It wasn't working well, but we can actually give that a retry again today. So let's come for this one. Let's now you come back to your n8n and you search for Gemini. You click this over, search for Gemini, or you can write, yeah, right here. You can see the free version at the front of it, as labeled at the front of it. You see it free, you come out for the free, and right here you come back to your to the LLM chain. This is where you're going to add your prompting, so you can just ask it a question. Hey, how are you? Just test if it's working. Hey, how are you? And we execute this. So we're executing this. So this one is no. Okay, yeah. We need to cancel this when I'm going for the chat model. So we need to add a trigger right at the front. So we call this trigger manual. So we have this right here. So let's execute workflow. So we come over here to this workflow and to see the result. Yeah, this is the result. I am doing okay. Thanks for asking. As a large model, language model, I don't experience emotion, and also so this was the testing version Google came up with when they started the model. So it's like 2.0, not as smart, but still good. So we can ask another question. So you see, we are using this for free. You can just tell me more about science. Tell me more about n8n. So I'll see if it has more information about that. So rate limit reached. Now the issue here was that it's not maybe we are done with the free version of the AI, or like we're not using, this is the fault of the Gemini AI right here. So it's not actually kind of that good. So we can come over to this model right here and search for better ones that we can use. So I'm thinking we should go for this NVIDIA. So let's test the NVIDIA one. So we can just come over and then search for free, right? Also here, and search for free. So we can see all the free versions right here. So we can just go for the NVIDIA and then let's see what it does. So you can just scroll around testing this AI, look at the one that is better for you, look at the one that works best for what you want. So we test this also. And some of those models, they don't have support. It's the old model, especially for the 2.0. It's an old model of Google, so it doesn't have much support on hands right now. So we have the 2.5, we have the 3.0. So those are the ones with the support as it is. So that one doesn't have the support as it is right now. So let's go for an output. So yeah, it is. So this one is working perfectly. It tells me more about n8n, so on. Yeah, it brings all the information about n8n. So it has every single data and every single information right here. So let's open this in a table so it can be visible. Yeah, so we have this very carefully. Yeah, and this is working perfectly. So we can come here again and just ask a few questions. Tell me more about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. So right here, it's just going to go again, do the same process, and then boom, that's good. So I think this is the best way you can use artificial intelligence for free. Is it to train your model? Is it to train your AI? Is it to do whatever you need to do? And this can, of course, this is free. This is really, really free. So shout out to Open Router for giving this opportunity. right out there for us to enjoy this kind of a model. But we don't have the free version for images, but neither that, they're still going just doing good. So let's have this out. So right here is the first way you can use an AI for free. No, I would say this is the second way, because the first way is the open AI free credit. So this is the second way you can use an AI for free.